PPI New York. All right. Okie. What's going on YouTube? What's everyone doing? Goldie today. We're in this range. So I'm going to be looking for buys. Okay. I'm pretty much going to be looking for buys on gold. Pretty much until we come down and break 3168. Between 3241.6 and 3168.1, I will be looking for buys. All right, so NQ, on the other hand, I won't be trading this anymore on Fridays and Wednesdays during our session. So I will see what happens with this. So we are going to mark this up together. All right. So looking at NAS, this thing is still, so you can't even see nothing to the left. But we still have this bearish structure here. However, we also do have a bullish momentum here. Looking at this on the daily time frame. So this right here is our previous daily candle high. And we got our previous daily candle low. Where's that? Okay. Now, weekly, this is our current weekly candle low. And right here, we got our previous weekly candle high. Back to the daily. We got this daily resistance. Let's take a look at the H4. H4, we got this support. For our demand. And looking at NQ on the 4-hour right now, I actually will be looking for buys, because if we look at what happened once we pretty much came down and created this low, created a high, we pulled back, created a low, right? Notice how this low right here was unable to break the previous low. So this in return now became a high, a low, and now this low, this major low here that created this minor low eventually broke the high that it created. So we have a minor break of structure there. So I'm expecting a pullback to the 4-hour demand at least. Now this is on the 4-hour. Okay. So looking at this, I am anticipating buys. Take a look at the H1 time frame. Okay, nothing there on the H1. Take a look at this on the 30-minute. Oh, wait a minute. H1. we do have this here. 1 hour demand. It's probably gonna break it there, but we'll see. 30 minutes. Let's take a look at this 30-minute. The minute demand. We have here on the 15. Okay, 15-minute demand. Just the 1 hour here. Got a 15 here. All right, so I am looking for buys on NAS, on NQ, or NAS, whatever. Morning, morning, morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
And I hope you held a runner on your NAS sale yesterday. That was great.
Oh, I didn't.
Man, it really did make a big move.
Yeah, it was like 2,000 points, wasn't it? Something like that.
Yeah.
Shit, I don't know. Not that much. I think it was just I think it was like something like 6 point something percent down because it almost went to the 7% magical number.
Oh, wow. And I took a lovely gold buy this morning before London.
Awesome.
Oh, you did?
Right off the bottom, like bought it at 31.90
Oh, okay.
on Forex.
Oh, okay. I caught a buy near the bottom of that pullback, but the runner never made it.
Yeah, same. Yeah, I got stopped out.
Gold Nest 3,400, 3,400. Who knows?
Yeah, Edwin, I didn't take NAS. I got no. It scares me too much. And if Wall, the king of NAS, isn't confident, I'm staying the hell away. When he makes noises like that, I stay the hell away.
It's been a long time, but yesterday was actually like tradable and readable for me for NAS. I was like, okay, I'm nailing these levels.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's been a while since that's happened. Like, Jesus.
Oh boy. Oh, snap. Everybody can get in.
Didn't you just say you're not trading NAS on Wednesday and Friday?
New York. I forgot to mention that. That's my fault.
Left out that bit. He's about to take the trade.
Oh, snap. Well, get ready for 800 point stop loss.
He means 800 ticks.
I mean ticks. And you get a 200 on Forex. Those of you that trade Forex.
Jesus.
A lot of news though in New York. No, we only got one. PPI.
I really hope no one tried to sell gold earlier because it was just trapping sellers. Every seller just got murked. Unless you caught the absolute top. Gideon took it. Okay. I mean, great sell. Great sell.
Yeah. Wait, did he get TP already?
Hey guys, good morning.
Good morning. Oh, what did I say, Ola? I mean, what did I mention? I don't know what you're talking about.
This is NAS, yeah? Yeah, okay.
Yep, it's nice. We're not trading it though in New York today though.
I was up trading gold last night, guys. I'm a warrior.
I assume it went well.
Yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Lost another 50k. I'm on the warpath now. Well, need a few. Need a few so that I can just make $100 a day each, and that's it. Easy.
Does Naz want to do one last rally?
Order working.
And this is 0.50.
You in this one, guys?
Not yet. I'm
Oh,
just,
why is the order working?
Order cancelled.
Why?
I'll just get in manually.
It sounds like pie. Right.
You don't want to get in manually on. You don't want to mark it in on NAS. You're gonna get slipped by like 10 pips.
Oh man.
Sounds like pie.
Oh.
It's like way too jumpy and thin on the order book.
Order working.
It's gonna be slightly. I can't seem to get this entry. 18621.25 using the pending order. Yep. See that 621 even or 621.50? Well, this is what it is. I'll use that. Dun, 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 dun. All right.
Oh man, there goes gold. Flying.
Broke the high. No.
Almost.
That'd been a nice buy if it happened though in London.
Yep.
My runner didn't make it.
Oh, you took the buys?
Yeah, I took the buy from 31.90 on Forex, so right at the bottom, but my runner just didn't survive that pullback,
Oh,
and then it just pumped again.
why am I starting now? London and Comex. Comex?
What?
They said London and Comex is already open. Comex? Oh, you mean London? Yeah, the reason why I'm starting an hour after London Open is pretty much because of London volume. I'm going to...
Wall,
Yeah.
is there a way on Tradeovate to draw the line, like if you want to do like a horizontal line or a rectangle all the way across in one click, or do you have to keep dragging it?
Oh, set it up on when you go to the settings. You can like thicken the line. You can turn it into a ray.
Ah,
Ray
got
will
it.
go across your screen.
Got you. Yeah, thank you. Got it. Oh yeah, array. There you go. Thanks.
Oh, you're trying to do analysis using Tradeovate?
And then just an entry. I'm just looking. I'm just highlighting heavy sellers. I'm just trying to draw the line all the way across so I can see where it taps them again.
And gold?
Yeah.
On gold, yeah. Yeah, just gold.
I like doing that too. Lucian. Props to Lucian for that.
Oh, Lucian told you about that?
Yeah, when he signed up for AMP, he was like, calling out levels, for the first week. And man, they reacted perfectly every time.
Oh.
So you get like a 20 plus pip bounce from them.
Morning,
Yeah, so on
Perpetual.
gold. So on gold, we're at a level now where it tanked before. It's even like you could call it a 5-minute supply as well. And I'm just waiting for really aggressive buyers to hit it. Can't push it up. Maybe catch a bounce down.
Oh, man. Huh? This thing is gonna freaking go up. It's gonna be like NY session yesterday.
Yeah.
If you look at it, it's pretty much the same thing.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Man, chances are it never comes back. It just flies because Edwin's looking for a sell.
Edwin is looking for a sale?
Yeah.
Oh, you said no.
I see what you wrote.
Oh, you're in NAS buys already?
Oh.
I don't care what anyone says about my entries. Shit, I like it like that.
I wouldn't sell this yet, Edwin. This is gonna pump, I think. Or wick the high and then come down.
No, he said he's looking for buys on gold.
Oh, I thought he said sales. Okay.
Okay, we can tap it. Oh, what's 1 hour?
I think I'm gonna play about with Trader Bait this weekend. See if it's better than my trading bait.
It's so good, Donny, honestly.
Yeah. Can I set it up, for example, just put a trade in, it will always give me a stop loss of so and so straight away, and then I can amend it. Because what I do is I always input whether I want 100 pips or stop loss, or you know what I mean, or 200 pips TP. But I want it just to always be there, so that I can amend it. But it allows me to get into a trade straight away. That's what I want. So.
Yeah, there she goes.
Maybe I can have 150. We'll see. It's already at the 15. Is it? Yep. And then that's gonna be insane if we did not freaking go back up.
Order cancelled. Order working.
It just wouldn't let me put it at 0.25. Trying to increase the waves on US goose to 125%. Damn. You took good buys, Eddie? Oh, nice. I said waiting for pop and go to catch a sale retracement. Thanks, cash for the pips. Okay. That's gonna use 120. That'll be 480. Okay. That will be 480. Mm-hmm. Man, I just want to keep forward. Something. Barely closed above that. This might actually come down to the lows, possibly. So looking at NQ on the 1 hour. So the fact that on the 1 hour and also the 4 hour, we barely had closure above the minor resistance, there is a chance we could come down lower. 4 hour, this bullish candle barely closed above the minor resistance as well. So we could there's a chance we could come down deeper before we actually push up here. Oh, we're gonna keep marking out this demand here. there's a very, very big chance we could come down deeper. So if we have another 1 hour demand down there, we should come down to the lows. Okay, so this should come down to the lows. What we're gonna do here, let's see the 1 hour. To mark up this 1 hour supply that we created. Oh, we could actually end up taking sales here. Okay, so I'm gonna mark up this 30-minute supply as well. And then if we keep coming down, then we look for buys at this 15-minute demand on the 5-minute. But if we start pulling back, I'll be looking for sales. Because looking at this, based on what I said earlier, based on the pretty much failure to close above that minor resistance on the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame, I just had to go back and looking at how it just keeps rejecting all this twin demand. At this point, we should come down to these lows. So if we start pulling back now, I'll look for shorts. That's what we're gonna do here. So sometimes you just have to take a deep look at what the market is doing and why, and also why market is not reacting to what the zones that it should be reacting to. And that's pretty much what I just did. So we should head down to these lows. However, if we do get a pullback, since we pretty much had failure to close above the minor resistance on the higher time frame, we could get a pullback before we actually continue, and then we start working our way back up. So for now, we wait for sales, and if we keep coming down, we look for buys. Excuse me. Damn, I wish I paid attention to that closure. Damn, could have taken the sales instead of waiting for buys. You're not trading NQ today, Vall?
Oh, I am. I took a sell.
Damn it.
I don't want to say anything because you're looking for buys. So I'm like, oh shit, I don't know. We'll see what happens.
Damn it, you should have brought my attention to it. I just seen it now.
Oh.
See, sometimes, man, in trading, man, when you lose, sometimes it's actually the market. But then again, sometimes, most of the time, it is actually us, the traders. Now, if I didn't go back and look at the 1 hour to see why we just keep falling, then let's say I took this buy here. Then I would have lost. And whose fault was that going to be? It's going to be my fault, not the market. Because it was my mistake, not the market. And as a result of my mistake, even though I didn't lose, I missed out on this, which is fine. But if I had really, really looked, then would have caught this sell instead of waiting for buys.
Well, we're getting close to an area where it can bounce 18,300.
Yep, just bounce and go back up and come down again.
This is why, guys, you never buy the highs on gold. It will
What happened?
punish you. It will punish you so hard.
Drop back down.
And sometimes you don't want to sell the highs either.
Yeah. Oh man, how fire was that logo I did on AI? I was so impressed.
Which one did
That
you
was
use?
good.
4.0?
Yeah. It did I didn't even know it existed. I just downloaded it on the iPhone. And
The free one? Is it because there's so many freaking ChatGPT now. Is it
yeah,
the
it was the free
OpenAI?
one that the free one that comes with the iPhone that you just install to help with the Apple AI.
Oh. So that's Apple.
No, I don't think it's Apple's. Just I think it just works together with it. I just downloaded like a free ChatGPT.
Oh man. How many pips has this thing dropped from where I would have possibly take this?
Oh wow, what a trade that would have been.
Oh man, I would have got 1-to-1.
Fast too. Started really dropping.
Man.
All over there being selfish.
I know, right? You should have said something, then I would have went back and looked.
But what I would have
Just to
said was
confirm what he's saying. Yeah, because I got to confirm what he's saying, you know. I'm not
I
just
wouldn't be like speaking your lingo. I would be saying like, well, failed to break out of that New York range, fell back inside, retested the top of it, and rejected again. So you got the failure to hold.
That's my lingo. That's still my lingo. We're just saying it differently.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Oh man.
Yeah, it would have been quick too.
Yeah. I didn't even catch all of it. It dropped so fast, and then I was like, shit, you know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna get out.
It will be done now.
Yeah.
I can't even read gold anymore.
So good. You miss one setup, another setup push pop up. I just wanted to go back up as fast as it came down. But the thing is, did we have this 30-minute supply before this pullback? That would be the question. So let me see. So this candle close. Oh, this was the 3 o'clock candle? No, this opened at, man, I don't. So this closed at 2:30. This closed at 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock. Oh, yeah. It's 3:15. Yeah, would have caught it. I don't know. Gold is not looking like she's gonna do anything this session.
I mean, technically, that's a massive move. It already like went up like 100 and something plus pips and came back down 100 and something pips.
Man, how did I miss that? I completely missed that. Oh, and also I must add that looking at the 1 hour, the reason why I said, okay, we should come down to the lows since we pretty much failed to break above this minor resistance at 18,676 is because this low created this high, right? Now this high in return created this low. So since this low, right, is the high that created this low, and this low pushed up and created this high, we did pretty much fail to break. So it should pretty much come all the way back down to the lows that this high created. Okay, that's what we should get. And the reason why there is a chance we could go back from here is because on the lower time frame we actually have a BOS. We have a breakout structure on the lower time frame. So that's why I'm saying we should come all the way back down here. Now we could just keep coming down, or on the lower time frame we could get this and then continue down here, and then we start to push back up again. So that's it. That's what I mean. It's not advisable to just focus on the lower time frame alone. You gotta combine higher time frame and lower time frame.
Yeah. Higher time frame is going to give you a clearer picture of what direction it's going. Lower time frame can give you the better entry stop loss.
Yep. I like come New York session, if I was going to trade the NQ come New York session and we're not at this 15-minute demand, I'll be looking for buys at this 15-minute demand. And then if this 15-minute breaks, I'll be looking for it pretty much at this lows. This previous daily demand. They also have a 5-minute demand there, so I'll be looking for it there. Oh, we shouldn't break this 15-minute demand. We should reject that. Man, good is so freaking shady. Look at it. He is so shady.
Just enough to fake in the sellers.
Yep.
And probably stop out the, the buyers, the breakout buyers.
Actually thinking about shorting it.
Mike said BOS equals buy or sell.
I shorted it.
Gold?
You shorted
Yes.
gold?
Yeah, 32.42. 9. So
Man.
42.9.
You have been so influenced.
20 pips. 20 pips locked in. Go.
I'm in a buy on gold, but from below. So.
Oh, from the lows. Nice.
Yeah, I was buying before, right? And then when you see this pullback, I had to come out. And then I saw the bounce off some imbalance, so I went back in there. Let's see.
I think you touched my runner. Get Dotty, stop loss. Go.
It's far away.
He said it's far away.
This market, you can't put it like the other day. Everything, it just kept taking me out because the stops were just, the stops were just taken out. So you just got to go wider and then obviously move it when you can.
Took bound gold entry 32.15, 32.15, 32.15.
Go on, give me 50.
Not bad.
Damn.
Got the
Give me
lows.
50. I'm out.
You took that 50 from me.
Yeah, I did. As long as we're both making money, Daddy, I'm happy. So.
Yeah, of course. You can have it. That's
YouTube, what Pi is doing now, don't try that at home. You're just
Not without supervision.
You're
No,
just
you need a
gonna
driving
keep
license.
losing. That trading style is not for everybody. Not for me, for sure. 1000%.
Man, I would say Pi's like trading is like super risky, but it works. So I'm like, oh, okay. Good job.
Yeah, well done, Pi. Seriously. Love it.
Same.
And he goes on YouTube and said, always wear protection.
In and out quickly as well, Pi, innit? So,
Man.
no heartache.
I bet you on Forex, that 1 hour and 4 hour minor high that we pretty much failed to close above here on futures. It probably closed above on Forex.
NAS 4 hour.
Like this minor high right there. Or just use the 1 hour. See the gap. Do we have?
So 4-hour never closed because it's still
24.
open.
Oh no, like so.
1 hour.
Oh
yeah.
yeah, 4 hour never close. So it is the 1 hour. So 1 hour.
Yes.
Is the 1 hour close above?
Yeah, it looks like it looks the same.
Oh, it looks the same. Oh, okay. So we pretty much waiting for this right now. What we're waiting for right now. And Nas, I feel like it's gonna do a fake out here at around 18,457, 18,480. It's gonna do a fake out.
Oh.
Let's do this. Bam, bam, bam. Before we drop. I'm anticipating a fake out at that level. You see anything on the footprint that might confirm what I just said? Let's see.
Yeah. I think that's definitely possible because there's like a tiny little supply up there. Just poke it and then, pull back, give the retest.
Yeah. I'm actually gonna put a line there. Horizontal ray. Kind of like what Go did down in London yesterday when we were looking for sales.
Oh, yes. Good thing you got out of it, Shit.
No, not New York, London. No, we didn't take anything down in London, but we were looking for sales. It rejected, acted as if it was going to come down, and the next candle, boom, we just went up. Man, that was so frustrating yesterday, though.
Yeah.
done that twice this week.
Yeah.
But worked out in the end.
Not the other one though.
Which one?
First one.
First one?
Yeah.
NQ?
Yeah.
Or gold?
NQ.
Yesterday?
No, the other one.
Oh,
We took an as the
yeah,
other day
yeah.
as like yeah.
Oh yeah, the one that Lucian said it didn't close. Yeah.
Super dodgy.
China increased tariffs to 125% today, so yeah, there's a high chance it might drop.
Oh. How high can Trump in China make it? How high? 200%? 300?
There's a lot of conspiracy theories going on the internet. You know, some are saying he's doing it on purpose to crash the market so they can make, you know, so much money from it. But I'm like, I don't think any of these big company CEOs will freaking want that. I don't know. I could be wrong.
I doubt that they want it.
Huh?
I doubt that
They will want that.
The rich people, I doubt that they want that because
Yeah.
there was like no news of like, man, this giant hedge fund or bank went like massive short on the market at the highs, you know. It's like none of that talk.
Even Apple, man, they actually, before he signed the bill, they had to ship like millions of freaking iPhones in from China, so that they can avoid the tariff. I'm pretty sure they don't want that.
Yeah. And the only person who's like prepared is Warren Buffett, but he was like preparing like early last year. He was like, you know, building his cash pile, like selling stocks and just piling up billions of dollars. But he was doing that fucking last year. So, you know.
Why don't we trade DAX? Well, we don't trade Forex anymore, and DAX is trash anyways.
There we go.
What?
He admitted it. He finally said it's trash.
Whatever. Gold seem to be doing the opposite. Man. Just leave gold alone until it freaking breaks this high. But if you like risky setup, then you're welcome to take the sell.
Now we're gonna see if Nas is actually gonna hold these temporary lows or just gonna shit the bed right here. Did you take Abe's like first entry or something, Edwin?
No, I think it was already in before I started looking for the buys.
Oh. He said yeah, partly.
First entry? You didn't even get to the first entry.
When you had the line there and you started moving it about, maybe you already got it.
Hmm. I refuse to feel bad about your loss, man. It's not going to happen. Because you didn't get the entry that I have.
No, he said he thought he thought he heard you take it.
No, Edwin, you took it by yourself.
He changed the 50-minute chart and I saw the beam bar candle, man. I thought, man, this will be a loss. The freaking same 50-minute beam bar, nice reaction, and then come back down and take out.
Damn, it's hot in here. I'm gonna turn the AC on. I'll be right back, guys.
Oh, yes, I see it. 15-minute.
Yeah, and the entry was like above.
Oh, okay.
Then, yeah, this you'll see a lot of time, and I don't like this candle.
It's interesting, like, when you bring it to my attention, like, all the time, it's like, yeah, it fails, like, all the time.
Yeah, most of the times.
So strange.
I think this type of candle is just pre-buyers, because you think, man, what a nice rejection. Very nice rejection. Contra trend. It's like the hanging man pattern like this. No one trusts Trump anymore. The pump on in this is gone. They say, the specialists say the tariff above 80% make no sense because it's untradeable. Doesn't matter, it's 100, 200, 300. Above 80%, it's make no sense to trade.
Yeah. They're just pulling numbers out of their ass.
Yeah.
Also, Trump is like, he's doing insider trading. Like, it's very clear that someone knew the Bitcoin news ahead of time. Someone knew that 90-day thing, delay of tariff ahead of time. It's like...
Do you think it will be capable of something like this?
What? Oh, no, I wasn't trying to, like, say anything bad about his, like, incredible honor and upstanding reputation.
But yeah, I read an article. Someone sent me an article today. What did it say? It said Adam Schiff calls for insider trading investigation into Trump over tariff pause.
Oh.
Adam Schiff. Who's Adam Schiff anyway? I don't know. But anyway. But wow, huh?
They should. Is that some bullshit?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Even we had rumor Monday that he'll stop the tariffs, and the official says not. It's a fake news. It will not happen because he thought, man, the people will find out, they will buy and buy higher prices. Yeah.
America!
Democrats.
USA! You gotta love it.
Yeah, I don't love it.
Sure, no. Ay. There she goes, Nas. There goes Nas.
It should go back up. This rejection here should hold and go back up from here.
I saw a person go out on the street of America and asking people who think they pay the tariffs that put on the Chinese country, and they say that the Chinese, of course. How the heck will pay the Chinese the tariff? We will pay the tariff, like the Americans, the importer pay the tariffs, not the exporter. They don't know. They think these tariffs they'll make more money for America, but it's paid by Americans.
Yeah.
I don't think he quite knows how money circulates.
Man, I really wish like every country would just get their shit together and just be like, look, no, none of this like good service tax, this blah blah, tariff tax, this like, all these like loophole taxes, business tax. It's like, dude, just do flat 20% on, like your income and cut everything else out of the water. Because there's so much bullshit. It's like companies, they have like a certain tax rate, but they don't really pay it because there's also these loopholes. That's why they pay their like tax accountants so much money to find all the loopholes, and then they don't really pay that amount of tax. It's like a game.
Yeah, and billionaires pay no taxes.
Yeah.
Especially in America.
I forgot who it was. Like, there's like one of them. It's like, I don't know. One of those like billionaire CEOs where it's like he pays himself $1 a year so he doesn't have to pay tax. It's like, yeah, sure, buddy. Okay.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Jesus. $1.
Yeah. So yeah, I just pay myself $1, but then he makes all the billions through everything else that somehow, there's like loophole this, loophole that.
They will get him eventually.
Yeah.
Because they know you're trying to freaking evade taxes.
Yeah, they live on borrow money because you don't pay taxes on borrow money. And the fees are smaller than the taxes if you spend your own money.
And you can only do stuff like that if you actually have a corporation, I believe.
Yeah, a good corporation. If you have like a
shit, it doesn't even have to be good. I can do it, but not pay myself $1. Yep, look at that.
Yeah.
Gold is still chilling. You love to hear read me a book. Ooh, who Dex? Who are you talking about? The annoying thing is you buy a car for money, you were already taxed and you have to pay taxes for it, same for houses, etc. In Greece they have a tax for pool. Huh.
Yeah, Max. It's outrageous.
I know Kill the Beats gotta hit me, but I should have held myself.
Oh, okay.
That's crazy. That's 100 pips, Wall, from that entry. How crazy is that?
Yeah.
100 pip. It doesn't look like it.
When I trade
And,
gold now, I think it's
just-
like I think
I'm
with the
sorry.
way it moves, we kind of have to look at it more differently now, because before it's like we care about every pip, right?
Yeah.
Now it's you kind of have to care about every 10 pips, and then
Yeah.
the what 1 to 9 is really just like point, like
Yeah.
it's no longer valuable. Because it used to be like you get in a trade and it's like, it moves like it's going up 1 pip, might go up 2 pips, and then, so forth. But now it's like jumping like 3 pips, jumps 5 pips. And hell, the other day when I took like a sell, I think I was like 7 pips in profit and then jumped up 10 pips. Yeah, no, more than 10 pips, because I went from plus 7 pips up to minus 7 pips in a split second. And it's like, what the hell? It's like just jumping.
It will not be an easy quarter. Trump
No.
don't finish with this nonsense tariffs.
Trump's gotta make sure it's hard for everybody.
Don't know what we'll say tomorrow. If there's something, it's not like, man, I will put 100% tariff on Japan, or who knows.
Yeah.
Because he discovered a new playground, stock market, and man, when you can control market with this news, yeah, you will make it.
I hate it. Man, that insider trading thing, it bugs me so much. Drives me nuts inside. It's like, you stinking bastard, making so much money, you filthy cheating bastard.
Yeah, these things need to be forbidden. When you have inside, it's forbidden, but yeah.
Yeah.
Rejected that 15 supply. And I'm not expecting it to go to come down from here. Your favorite candle, Lucian?
Yeah,
So with this candle, you expect it to go up, right?
usually it's happen like this. But for example, when you took something from here, you have some chances to go down. But when it's the middle of the nothing, and if this candle was like here,
Ah, yeah, okay, I gotcha.
especially when you see like a nice move like this, and on the middle of the move you see pin bar on 5 mid, man, buy here. I think this is like 90%. Those are the first sellers. Yeah, but the volume is gone on S also.
Oh, I took a look at like volume for the different sessions, and for gold, volume like picks up a little bit during the Japanese Open, and that time period it has like a little bit of elevated volume, and then volume actually dies off at London Open on gold. So
Yeah.
the volume actually drops off and then picks up like 3 hours before New York.
Yeah, like pre-New York.
Yeah. And then for NAS, volume elevates a little bit for London, but not for Japan. Like it's like dead flat line, low volume throughout all of Asia. And then obviously in New York, it fucking massive volume starts to pick up.
Yeah, I think it's better to trade pre-London like Japan end than London session.
Yeah, so it makes sense to trade later in London. Like, there's no reason to hop on. It's like consistently just takes a nosedive in volume on London Open for some reason.
Yeah, even when we are in a trade in London, we have this type of action, and then pre-New York start and in 2 candle ETP.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
So I was looking on School, and so on School, it actually integrates with Zoom, but not with WebEx. So thinking if we should go back on Zoom or we should just keep using WebEx. You guys might like WebEx better now.
I'm happy with Zoom.
I'm okay. Like Zoom, like this one.
I do like WebEx.
WebEx is alright too. Yeah, I don't hate WebEx or anything. I think WebEx is alright as well.
What I noticed, WebEx have a bigger delay than Zoom.
Oh,
really?
Yeah. It's not like I need to entry. If I waiting for your signal, it's like a little bit late. On Zoom, it's pinpoint.
Oh, okay. Plus, it integrates with School, so okay. Zoom or Meetings? Which one is Meetings?
Google.
Oh,
It's also good.
Oh, Google Meet. Yeah, I heard that too. Yeah, School also integrates with Google Meet. Yeah, it's not Google Meet is School also.
Yeah, Google Meet is good. That's very clear, I think.
Yes. I've actually had a one-on-one on Google Meet once. Yeah, it's actually good.
Very clear. Yeah.
Wait, let me verify that. Does it integrate with Google Meetings? See if it integrates with Google Meetings. Yep, it does. Okay. I'll look into Google Meet as well. But with Google Meet, though, if you don't have a Gmail, you can't access it. Am I right?
No,
I'm
no
not
idea.
sure.
I don't know. I didn't use Google Meeting.
Yeah, I think that's true because when I use it, it does take my Google email, even though I don't actually use that, but it brings it up. So it's definitely automatically using that. Yeah.
Yeah, just use them. Yeah.
Oh, and like I think it's like 4 or 5 hours after NYSE open, the volume on gold plummets off a cliff, like completely dies, like from 100% volume to like 25%. It's like straight off a cliff.
Yeah, that's why King said never trade after we took a trade and we were in these hours, and man. It's even worse than Asia volume, end of New York session.
Yeah, it's crazy how aggressive it just falls off. Like everyone just says, we're done. We're not going to trade gold.
And
Technically, sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, they have volume like late in session.
Yeah.
Volume kick in after the.
But on GC, Gold Futures, the volume for the afternoon New York session, it's still higher than Asia in London. So New York's worst volume is better than the rest of the world's volume.
Yeah. I thought Romania have some volume there, but no.
No, sorry.
I read somewhere that just one stock from NISE, like Nvidia or not Nvidia, it's worth like the whole Romanian
GDP.
No, the Romanian pulse, the whole trading.
Oh.
In 1 hour of trading of only Nvidia is the whole Romanian trading.
And I believe it.
Stock exchange.
Still rejecting that 15 minutes up one.
Yeah. There's no good trade.
This was the only good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, usually the best trade are those that you don't take.
It's true. If I don't take it, it will fly to TP with 0 drawdown, no pullbacks.
Yeah.
Wait, I think we still will be waiting though. This candle opened at 3. It didn't close at 3. Yeah, this candle opened at 3, so we'll still be waiting even if we wanted sales.
Yes, some of us will take, like Edwin will take earlier.
Yeah, we'll still be waiting for sales.
Yeah, but this one touch and entry below here. After the fact, it's easy to make entries.
Yes.
If it was, yeah, that one, but it was before we started this stream. I wouldn't have taken it at this support though.
I mean, The sell that I took was like up here, the retest. So it failed here, retested, broke yet again, retest yet again, and then that next lower high, take the sell. So I guess you could have even had your entry like here, stop loss there,
yeah, but
TP there.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is we didn't have this 30-minute supply until that candle closed at 3:30.
Okay.
If it had closed at 3, then yeah, could have taken it here.
Man, Pi's so quiet. He probably took like 50 trades on gold already.
Man, streaming futures for London session. I don't think this is good. Because futures is not pretty much is not a London's market.
But it is.
Witcher? Witcher?
Hmm?
The Witcher?
Oh, futures.
I understand the Witcher, man. We're trading the Witcher.
Yep, the Witcher strategy.
I think I need a new mouse like they made specially for shooting. Take trades. with special buttons. Buy 2, close 1, sell 2, close 3. But these ranges are the scalper's dreams. Buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high every day.
Yeah, that's true.
Add more. Yeah, I think we will see breaking higher gold. A lot of selling. A lot of sellers try to sell this.
What happened with this move to the downside here? I like to call that deception. Which is pretty much what happened here also now.
Yeah. Damn, 50 pips bagged on this NAS by breakout trade.
Yeah, look. The pin bar took effect till the end.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pin bar works better on the 1 hour time frame and above.
Yeah.
Below
1 hour.
Yeah, below 1 hour, man, is you're gonna lose
And
90% of the time.
When it's like this, below, like liquidity sweep.
Yep.
Closing below a major resistance or support. But when it's like in the middle of the range, man, don't like to see it.
Yeah, and it's not that it doesn't work at all on the lower time frame. It works. It's just that you're gonna lose more than you win.
Yeah, you will lose even what you don't have. And another thing, when start consolidating like this on a demand, when it breaks, yeah, it will be 2 candle win.
It's always nice when it consolidates and then breaks,
Yeah.
so you know you can like get a good move out of it. So it's not
Yeah,
gonna
yeah.
like keep retracing, you know, pull back.
You have the full sellers trapped there, this pin, and yeah.
Yeah, we trapped them twice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Or maybe 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, and you think, man, a lot of rejection, this will go lower. Let's sell it. Let's add it. Oh, retest here, another add, and then boom.
Pi, how many trees have you taken?
No, only 2.
82?
Damn.
No.
Damn.
2.
Man,
Only a buy and a sell.
that should be in the Guinness Book of Record.
To trade with one finger, and with the other one.
Oh man, only 2. 82.
Man, that would be insane if anyone does that in one session.
I can name one. But I won't.
Who?
But I won't.
No, we want to know now.
I don't want to get Wall started. He knows exactly who I'm talking about.
Please, let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
It rhymes with Von.
I knew it. Man.
Oh, gold bounced 100 pips. You gonna sell it here, Pi?
No, not here. Not here. Not yet. I don't think I want to sell it anymore. It's just like really aggressive. If I see a big seller or a trap buyer, I might, but what about you, Wall? How many trades have you done?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Gotta get those numbers up.
Yep, you gotta get those numbers up. You slacking.
I need to start. It's amateur numbers. Amateur numbers from Pi.
Buy gold, sell NAS, then buy NAS 3 times at the lows. One of them got stopped out though. Just wicked me out and then pumped. It's like, oof, you son of a bitch. Let me get back in.
Oh, I haven't been lucky like that for a while. My runner just remains untouched.
Oh, nice.
I can't remember. Oh no, I haven't. I said I haven't. It always grabs it. Always grabs it and goes.
Yeah.
Man, what can I say? She likes your runner.
Yeah, I think she
Have a
does.
nice runner.
She does.
Wow, take away from me, please. I'll be right back. You two, use the restroom.
Oh, damn. Did you take the sell on gold, Edwin? Shit. So you took 2 L's.
Don't worry, Edwin. We'll get it back. We'll get it back for you.
Wait, you're still in a sell on gold? Oh, I thought you took the Gideon sell. Oh, okay. So you're in the sell on gold right now as we speak? Oh, okay. Let's pull up this gold chart.
Yeah,
See what's happening.
I don't know about selling it right now, man.
Oh, Lord.
What was your entry, Edwin? What was your entry, bro?
There's gotta be the bottom of these wicks. Yeah,
32.13.
It's gotta be
Got
sniper
this.
drawdown.
This pin bar there. Look,
Oh shit! Yeah, that's
some for stop losses.
32.13. Yep, sniper drawdown.
snipey, mate. Snipe.
Of course, paper trade this one here.
Mm-hmm.
And of course she's going nice up, but yeah, we give up the buys. Buys works.
I think I bought it here, TP'd like here, bought it like here, stopped out here, and then I was like, you know what, fuck you, I'm gonna buy it like here, and then TP like at this week here.
Yeah, usually the manipulation will be here in consolidation. This is the clean move. But yeah, you need to buy here, stop loss here, TP here.
See, the issue we've got on gold is that we're closing above the heavy sellers and moving up with negative delta. So I'm worried it might stop you out, Edwin, if it's going to come down before it does. But I believe in you.
Okay, so Nas tapping.
Yeah, prepare the lots. 150 pip stop loss. We start the countdown. 3, 2, 1, in.
Let this candle close.
Yeah.
You're being sarcastic, Kilda P. Sorry.
Your stop loss is above the highs, Edwin.
Oh.
Just at this wick. Just above this wick. Which wick? Current candle wick? Oh, stopped out. Shit. Well, there is a big seller up here, but they just like bought it all and still pushing. So, yeah.
I reckon still feel that wick.
Man, this thing, oh, it's gonna pop.
Yeah, there it goes.
Explode.
I'm not gonna lie, I did buy it when I said this is going up.
Man, Pi is a dirty, dirty dog. He said, I believe in you, Edwin, as he's buying it. So I believe in you, Edwin. Let me just buy this now.
And this sounds like a Trump move.
Oh, boy.
That makes me sound terrible.
Okay. Well,
Guys, I'm gonna go. We'll see you
Alright.
later in New York because I need to sleep. So, see you later. Happy trading.
Okay.
Take care.
Abe doesn't like bearish candle rejections, so we'll see what happens.
Maybe we'll create a support here and then below support will be nice.
Yeah, if it does a little bit of a range, then at least you can target this zone here at the very least. Possibly lower.
I'm back.
Oh, Lucian, your marker is still on the screen.
I think it's yours.
Is it mine?
Yeah, I cannot delete it.
Nah, that's not mine, man.
I'll delete it.
Man, who's got the balls to try to short gold here? Man. Probably Pi. Pi's gone quiet, so he's probably waiting to sell.
I'm watching. No, I'm watching. Just watching.
Whenever
I have.
there's... Go ahead.
Sorry. I have the balls, but I need it for something else.
I'm always super scared to like sometimes like short or long certain moves because I look at the lows or the highs and it's like if it breaks it, it's probably gonna explode and slip me. So I'm like, oh, do I really want to take this trade? So if I lose, I'll probably lose way more than what I want to. Oh, there it goes.
It's popping.
Oh, take care, Edwin. I hope he's already gone. If you're out there, Edwin, I'm sorry for Pi. He's an asshole.
Man, who hasn't done that when Edwin says he's in a trade?
I have not done that. I say I'll do it, but I never actually do it. Kill the Beat's right. It's like he added when he heard Edwin was selling it. It's like, wait, Edwin's in this. Man, I'm gonna go full margin now.
Anyway.
Oh, that's a bit annoying. Because now Nas has created like a little demand zone.
5 minutes. If this doesn't hold, then it will be the 1 hour.
Yeah, go up. Yeah. There you go. Go higher. Get further away.
Will break highs. All-time high.
All-time high. Oh, you mean on gold?
Gold.
Yeah. Oh yeah, gold being broke all-time high.
Man, this actually might turn into a higher low.
Yeah. I don't trust these sales anymore. You fight this consolidation here on the lows. New demands.
I still do. Until it breaks this 1 hour supply. Okay.
Man. Now they're buying gold like crazy. Now it's time to sell.
Yeah. Buy gold, sell NAS.
Sounds good to me. There we go. TP smash.
See, was this as bad as me?
Oh, yeah. He's coming
TP
for the
smash on
run.
what?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh,
Nope, runner stopped out.
Oh, you sold it?
Yeah. So jumpy.
Yeah. I think the pre-New York starting to open now in 2 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
That's why.
That's why the sudden volume. Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Electronic hours.
Mm-hmm.
I think NAS also is good to trade in pre-New York than London, because the last London trade that we had in NAS on pre-New York Open, we hit TP.
Oh. I have noticed that the London NAS trades, it works out later. The early one fails, the later one works, which is by, the volume kicks in.
Yeah.
And then the ones that we take early, it goes straight into chop, draw down. It's horrendous.
Yeah, till this hour.
Yeah.
But today worked both trades. Buys worked, sales worked.
Yeah.
I mean sales, yeah, we didn't have setup for sales.
New hour has opened.
Yeah. What did I have here earlier?
Mm-hmm.
140. $560.
How big's the stop loss on this one?
140.
Okay.
And that's 560.
Okay. Plenty of space to work with to the downside.
Yep. Wow.
Good luck on your gold sell pie.
No, no way. I'm not in this.
Okay.
I wish I were. Well, I don't know. I actually don't. I can't call it. Oh, snap. I wish I was.
Was a lot of buyers in this candle on the top. Yeah, this is good sign from quick sales, but yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at it. I'm like, that's a sell if I ever seen one.
Yeah, I just don't trust it to go
Bar.
Yeah.
You make 10 pips, 20 pips would be take you out, or you can like lose
Yeah.
on second, but I think I should give 20 pips, but dangerous.
Yeah, see, straight back up.
Yeah.
Oh, you're talking about gold?
But hey, pie loves danger.
Gold. I'll be
Yeah,
looking
his
for.
second
I'll
name
be
is
looking
Danger.
for buys.
These are all calculated risks.
And the third one is Muscle.
This should be 560 ticks. And I know some of you still trade Forex. That's 140 pips if we do take this. let's see. Yeah. In 567.
What was the pip stop loss on that?
140.
140.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, 140. It was a mute. You take this trade on NAS, Janice. All right. Yeah, if we're not in this in the next 18 minutes, then that's it. And if we don't take it on stream, probably gonna take it off stream. Well, I'll send it to you guys on school because it's MQ. As long as it gives entry before NY open.
Hope no one took sales on gold.
Flying.
Yeah, that's exactly
damn.
why I didn't. That's exactly why. And that'd be a lesson, guys. Always stick to your plan. Don't take the bait that Wall gives you.
Hey, it
says,
gave
"Hey, Pi,
profit.
you gotta sell it."
It gave decent profit.
It did, yeah. To be fair, it did.
But really, what we can assert from this is now that my sell signal only gave like 30, 40 pips, but Edwin's counter trade signal gave like 500 pips. So, you know, obviously take the Edwin counter trade.
Oh, you are terrible. Oh man, that was funny.
Man, this thing's coiling so hard.
Oh man, if anyone tried to buy the all-time highs on gold, this got your account blown
Straight back down.
straight back down.
Back down to continue higher.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Like it'll be till you're watching the 1 minute.
Five minute. I'm watching.
Maybe we're going for that 1 hour supply.
So, New York, are we going to start late or what are we going to do? We got the double news thing.
Double news? That's not what what's it
Yeah,
called?
we got
Saying?
news like
It
30
says
minutes and then 1 hour after that.
you're looking at Forex Factory?
What is that?
This is investing.com.
Okay, yeah, I'm looking at Forex Factory.
This is we only got one. What's the second one Forex Factory says?
Prelim consumer, prelim inflation.
Huh. This says PPI.
And then there should be two PPI. There should be PPI and core PPI.
Investing is inferior. I don't think so, man.
Yes. Forex Factory is the best.
Well, it says Forex.
Doesn't matter. The news are for dollar.
Oh. And that's gonna be going for the 1 hour supply. Because I have it set to only show high volatility news.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if it. Oh, so we got PPI the same time. That one is 2 stars, and then PPI 3 stars. So there's one again at what? An hour after the first one?
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours.
You have it even on the trading view. Windows.
Yeah.
It's Michigan consumer sentiment.
And Michigan inflation.
Oh, that's it,
NAF.
yeah. Oh, it says 2 stars. I'm gonna go with investing. That's why it's inferior. Oh, we'll find out today. We'll start same time. I'm not trading NQ down in New York today, anyways. Oh man. Otherwise. Oops. Okay. As this candle closes, if we do not come down, I think I'm going to end this. Wait for this candle to close. About to close. What the hell? How was that? Who knows? Oh. Oh, man. It's now 480. Oh, that entered. One more bullish candle, breaking this high, I'm done.
Still 140.
120 now. Man, looks like Nasdaq's no one to fall.
Yeah, could be the higher low.
You're in sales from on gold 30 to 34. On Forex. Better take your TP from here. As I will be looking for buys if I'm going to trade gold now. All right, YouTube. I appreciate you all. If you want to trade NY session with us, use the link in the description, the private community on school. I will see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Trade safe though in New York if you are trading in New York. God bless. I'm out of here. Peace. All right, guys. We'll go again down in New York. See you guys in an hour and 20-something minutes.
All right. Thanks, Ed.
You're welcome, guys. See you guys later.